So we are just coming out now of the highest point of this total solar eclipse today. And I know there's a lot of other people out there putting out videos of what this exactly means, but I'm going to share some things that you can actually do for this time and beautiful day that we're having. This is called the Amavasya time in Sanskrit, relating to the solar eclipse that is happening. One of the best things to do during this time is to clear your space and energy of things that are no longer wanted or old, or you might find quote unquote negative. You want to ask those energies to leave. You can clear using different things that speak to you. Some people, I like to use camphor, and I usually like to use Palo Santo. So it just depends on what calls to you. You can use that to clear. And then you want to replace, just like in Ayurveda, if you're removing something, you want to replace it. So you got to replace that energy with some expansive energy. I particularly use something like the Gayatri mantra, which then can help bring in that divine consciousness into the space. I do highly suggest that if you do not know the correct pronunciation of a mantra, that you listen to it and let it play versus speaking it yourself, so that you get that full potential of whatever that you are using to bring in that expansive energy. I know for myself personally, some of the things that I'm going to be doing with this and what I'm calling in is just bringing more joy into my day-to-day life and really celebrating the people that celebrate joy with me. Being able to make that shift in my own awareness and how I perceive reality, just making more creativity, time for creativity in my day is really important. And I've been noticing that. So I hope that you all can do the same. And then the last thing that I wanted to talk about is just remembering that everything just gives meaning to whatever, the meaning that it is what you put to it. So making sure that you honor what your words really are saying, making sure that that shift in perspective to come to a place of expansion versus punitive, versus shaming. There's so many different ways that we have been programmed by this life, and it's like we get to be the active participant and how we want that change to happen for ourselves, and then that can reverberate out to the world. All right, everyone, have a great day.